How you doing? My name is Trenius, Henderson, and you're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Listen, now what I'm about to tell you, now this is about to make you money fast. I actually was debating on whether or not I should get on here and tell you such a thing because it's so powerful that I'm like, I don't know if people want this much money, but what I'm about to tell you folks, listen, it worked for me, okay? Everything I'm about to tell you is about to change your whole entire life. I can almost guarantee you, if you tuned in and you watching this video, I can almost guarantee you I'm going to raise your consciousness level this high when it comes to money, okay? So the first thing you must know is this, okay? Everything you always knew about money is history. You got to be able to walk out on it. I'm going to say that once again. Everything that everybody ever told you about money is BS. It is history. Okay? I can guarantee you, everybody who told you how to go out and get a job and how to earn money, I can guarantee you they ain't never even had $1 million in their bank account. I can guarantee you that. Okay? So that's why I say everything that you ever knew about money is wrong. Okay, take it from somebody like myself who has multiple streams of income. I'm going to tell you the truth. Okay, this is what you need to know about money, folks. Anybody can have it. Okay, anybody can have it. It's just that so many people go about the wrong way of how to get it. Don't you know there are people that's making hundreds of thousands of dollars right now and they on resorts and islands every day? How is they doing it? How are they different from the average working man who goes to work every day, 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day to make $16.95? What is the difference between the two people? What's the difference? They ain't no different. They both human beings, They both probably had harsh realities growing up. What's the difference between the two? Different consciousnesses. They have different consciousnesses about money, okay? Money is simply energy. It's just like everything else. It's just like this nature behind me. All this stuff, everything that we see in our reality is simply just energy. The only thing you got to do is tap into that frequency and tap into that energy. Like radio stations, satellites, cell phone receptions. When you calling somebody, how can you make a phone call with somebody from right here and they way over there and it ain't no cord connected to y'all? Because the cell phone companies know how to use energy and vibrations in the electromagnetic field, okay? There is an electromagnetic field for money and prosperity, folks. I'm gonna repeat that again. In the universe that we live, okay, you might not never knew this, but the reason why the rich keep getting rich and the poor keep getting poor is because the poor stay in the poor vibrational electromagnetic field. Thinking wise. The rich keep getting richer. It's even in the scripture. For those who have more will be given to them. For those who have nothing, even what they have will be taken from them. It's all universal law. There is an electromagnetic field in our universe for prosperity and abundance. Okay? There is an electromagnetic field for lack. Okay? All the people who think in a lack mindset. And, you don't even have to necessarily wonder who is the people that think in a lack mindset, because you can hear it with the words they say. You can hear it in a conversation with somebody. Ladies, you can hear what type of man you're going to have based on the way he conversating with you. Everybody speaks what electromagnetic wave they on with the words that they say every single day. You can tell somebody's character. You can tell somebody's class. You can tell how much money, how much cash somebody has in their wallet, somebody has in their purse, based on what they say, because these people are in an electromagnetic field. Some people are in an electromagnetic vibration of just enough. Oh, if I get just enough, then I'm good. And guess what the universe does? The universe creates that for them in their reality. They are an average person. The universe says, okay, I'm gonna just make their situations a little just enough, just a little bit over average. Okay? Then you got another person over here, a six-figure person, millionaire. This person sees himself as a millionaire, talks like a millionaire, walks like a millionaire. Everywhere he goes, I guarantee you'll be able to point him out in a room, okay? All right? So the universe says, okay, every situation that happens, every person that I'm going to attract to them, all the things that happen in their reality, yeah, You know, I'm gonna make it a 6-figure reality because they thinking on a 6-figure consciousness. Okay, now let's turn it up a notch. Let's turn it up a notch. Okay, now you got the billionaires. You got the Warren Buffetts, the Bill Gates, the Steve Jobs, the Oprah, and who just became a billionaire, the Jay-Z's. Now they thinking a totally different consciousness. I can barely even fathom what that's like. But it's possible. If you want to think like a billionaire, I guarantee you're going to attract billion-dollar things. Okay? Listen, this will make you money fast. It's all about vibrations. It's all about the mood. It's all about how you feel. Okay? And I keep saying that if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to put the money in your pocket. Trust and believe. Feeling is key. Mood is everything. Mood and feelings are what is going to attract you to money. See, we talking about money on a psychological perspective. You know what I mean? We talking about money on a whole different way of what the world teaches you. The world teaches you to bust your butt until your knuckles bleed in order to make a little bit of money. The world tells you you got to go work for the man. The world tells you, oh man, you can't quit that job. The world tells you, oh, you need somebody, a boss over your head. The world tells you, oh, don't start your business. Don't do no business because that's a waste of time. That's what the world tell you because the world don't want you to have nothing. The world want to see you as a worker. The world want to see you as a peasant. The world want to see you like at the bottom of the table waiting on people to drop the crumbs after they get through eating. That's what the world want to see you as. Okay, rather than you having your own fortunes, rather than you being on a Forbes magazine, rather than you being comfortable and being able to buy all the things that you want to buy. You know what I mean? That's what the world want to see you like because the world making all that paper. They don't want nobody else to have none. So knowledge like this is priceless. Okay, and so emotions are everything. Okay, emotions define your actions. If you feeling a certain kind of way, right now, in this moment, right now, if you're not in the emotions of prosperity, I'm going to tell you what the emotions of prosperity is in a second. Just stay tuned. If you're not in the emotional feeling of prosperity, I'm always in it. Wealth, abundance, more than enough, you know, the head, not the tail, you know, the person who is, you know, capable of going to the restaurant and getting what you want to eat, not what your bank account say you got to eat. You know what I mean? Listen, your emotions create your actions from 2 hours from now. How you feel right now creates your actions 2 hours from now. Okay? Now, these actions create the circumstances for everything that you encounter or experience. So it all comes back to feeling at the end of the day. So if you feel like a multi-millionaire, if you feel like a billionaire, if you feel wealthy all the time, the universe is going to align you up with that same reflection of what you deserve. You see what I'm saying? It's all about self-worth. Okay? Once upon a time, I didn't know this. Once upon a time, I didn't know this type of knowledge. You know, nobody taught me this type of knowledge. No, this wasn't popular, but I learned the secret, law of attraction. I learned that, oh man, I can have anything I want. I can get anything I want. I can, you know, when I get stuff nowadays, like when I buy stuff and like shirts or whatever, or hats or something, I'm abundant with it. And the reason why I say I'm abundant with it is because I know I'm going to lose this stuff eventually. Once upon a time, you know, listen, once upon a time I had this shirt, but this shirt was lost, okay? I'm 5 years ahead on down the line. I'm abundant. I know I'm going to get some more clothes. I don't care because I'm an abundant vessel. Money just come to me. It just flow to me. You see what I'm saying? That's how you got to think. That's the consciousness you got to be on in order for you to attract money fast. You got to think, oh man, I got this money in my pocket. It might be $40. It might be $60. So what? I'm gonna give it to somebody that they ask for it. I'm gonna give it to them because I'm gonna get some more. You see the mindset? That's how rich people think. That's how wealthy people think. They don't see no limits. They don't see no ends. They don't see no scarcity. I gotta hold on to this because I ain't no telling when I'm gonna get it back. And guess what? The universe reflects that. That's why some people don't never have more than enough than what they actually need, because in their consciousness, in their mind, they don't think that they can receive it abundantly. But you can receive all money abundantly. You can receive anything you want abundantly. Anything that you want. If you want more of it, you got to have the mindset that, oh, I'm going to get more of it easily. I'm going to easily get more of it And then the universe will reflect that. And the universe will give you those experiences of exactly what you think. Okay? So take everything I just told you and just take it and just, you know, compare it with money. Okay? It's the same thing with money. This is how you come into the vibration of prosperity, the vibration of money. Everlasting, limitless, flowing money will begin to just flow to you. Okay? How many of you believe it? How many of you receive it? Give this video a thumbs up if you receive this message. And comment below to confirm it in the universe. Okay? Right now, you're a money vessel. Just type below in the comment section, say money flows through me. Not to me. Say money flows through me. Your DNA, your blood got to be money. Okay? Money flows through me. Money flows through me. You know? A lot of people say it ain't all about money. But listen, I would rather have problems with money than having problems without it. Okay? So with that being said, folks, this is how you make money fast using the secret law of attraction. Make sure if you like my style, you like my content, make sure you share a video today. You never know. Sharing is caring. Each one, teach one. Folks, when you're sharing my stuff, ain't no telling how it might come back to you. It might come back in the form of money. Somebody said it. Make sure you click on my face icon up there and subscribe to my channel. That's me.